Hi, this is Clara. Welcome back to my sweet DIY, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to add crochet to fabric. I'm upcycling this jean jacket by cutting off the sleeves to give it a fresh sleeveless look and adding a cute crochet border along with some flowers to make it really stand out. It's such a fun way to breathe new life into old clothes. So if you want to learn how to do this and turn basic jacket into something unique, stick around for the next video. First, start by coming up from the back of your fabric. Then put the needle back down into the exact same spot where you came up, and pull it all the way down. Make sure to keep your stitches even in height so everything looks neat. Next, bring the needle up again a little further along the line and wrap the yarn around the needle before pulling through. It's important to use a sharp needle, especially if you're working with tougher fabrics like denim, like I'm with my jean vest. Once you've created your chain stitches, you can go all around your project, and this chain stitch forms the base of your embroidery, and from there you continue decorating the border of your project. Here I'm crocheting a cute border to upcycle this jacket, and I'm adding some cool decorations with flowers and other cute details. Stay tuned for the next project where I'll show you the finished jacket and walk you through the final touches. I'll be dropping this piece in my Etsy store, so if you're interested in buying it, be sure to check it out. See you soon.